Deep ingrown hair removal. Hidden hair finally released. Something is trapped under the skin. At first, it looks like a small irritated bump. But there's something different about this one. The hair is trapped underneath the surface instead of growing normally outward. Finding the trapped hair. Under magnification, the problem becomes much clearer. A curved hair can be seen growing sideways beneath the surface instead of following its normal path outward. Preparing the area. Before attempting removal, the surrounding skin is gently cleaned and the area is prepared. The goal is to avoid unnecessary irritation while making the trapped hair easier to access. The hair starts to appear. With careful technique, the trapped hair begins moving toward the surface. A small section finally becomes visible, revealing why this bump was forming in the first place. The hidden hair is finally released. The trapped hair is gently released from beneath the skin, revealing a surprisingly long curved strand that had been growing underneath instead of outward. The skin after removal. Once the hair is removed, the area can be left to settle rather than repeatedly squeezed or picked. The skin now looks less raised and the trapped hair is no longer beneath the surface. Why ingrown hairs happen. Ingrown hairs can happen when a shaved, waxed, or plucked hair curls back and grows into the surrounding skin instead of growing outward. Avoiding aggressive picking and using gentle hair removal practices can help reduce irritation and future problems. The final reveal. The most satisfying part is seeing what was actually hiding beneath the skin. What looked like a small bump was actually a curved hair trapped underneath. Did you expect the hair to be that long? If you enjoy satisfying ingrown hair removals and realistic skincare transformations, make sure to like, subscribe to SkinRemedian, comment below. Would you watch more ingrown hair extractions? Yes, definitely, maybe.